here we go. This is taped on my bike, and we're going for a little ride. I don't know. Whoa! I really hope this stays. I think it will. Okay! Let's see how this video turns out. Woo! Whoa! Stay, come on, baby. Yeah, keep going, camera. Well, I don't want to fall. Great. Get back on here. Okay. Here I go. You ready? Ah! Woohoo! Yeah! Rugby! Alright, let's go on a really fun hill. Oh man, there's a car. Oh, it's a black car. That's a nice car too. Here, let's go follow that car. See if I can beat it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna beat it. Right now we're riding in my neighborhood. Well, we're only in a little bit part of my neighborhood. I have a much bigger one. This is just part of it. Alrighty. I just went up a really big hill. Let's go fast. Woo! Oh, look, another car. Uh-oh. Wee-hee. Rugby. And that concludes my video.